whenever you learn something, whenever you understand something, whenever you plan something, make it a way of life. That is the core of the process. That is the core of the healing. That is the core of the transformation. It not just for a game of a day or two or a week or so. Many times I keep getting emails and messages from people. People say like, AJ, I found about law of attraction watching your YouTube videos, and I have been using law of attraction for last 4 days, but it's not working. What should I do? and 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 if you are like counting the days, please do not do it. Make every single day count. Do not count the days. Make every single day count. Because for the so many years in the beginning, when I found the law of attraction, before I shared it with anyone, before I start helping anyone, before I give it to anyone, for many, many years, I was applying it. I was mastering it. I was doing everything as an experiment. I was trying everything as an experiment. I was trying to see when it is working, how it is working, when it is not working, if it is not working, why it is not working, what is holding me back, what is the negative beliefs holding me back, what are the blockages holding me back, how to change the game, how to change the vibration, how to change the process, how to change the focus. So that's what I want all of you to do, is to understand that how can you make it a way of life? And that is the core. That's I want all of you to focus on today. Take it with so much of inspiration, so much of energy, is making it a way of life. So with that, we'll do today's affirmation. I want all of you to note down today's affirmation is that my life is a peaceful and joyful journey. My life is a peaceful and joyful journey. I want all of you to write as well. My life is a peaceful and joyful journey. And that's what you should be focusing on. Because when you focus on my life is a peaceful and joyful journey, when you tap it into the inner peace, then you can take it forward and you can do, have, or be anything that you want. You can create more success, more happiness, more transformation.